Hi friends, I am Arun Giri. You are most welcome to our channel Technical Concept. Today's topic is how to calculate cooling tower capacity for water-cooled air compressor. So you can see here this is the image of water-cooled air compressor. So this water-cooled air compressor need cooling water for cooling purpose. Okay. So in this video we are going to see how much capacity of cooling tower we need to install for cooling of this given capacity of air compressor. Okay, so keep watching this video up to last, and if you have not subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start our topic without wasting the time. So first of all we will see why cooling tower required in air compressor. Means what is the purpose of cooling water in air compressor. So in water cooled air compressor, cooling water used for cooling air in intercooler and aftercooler. Okay, and also cooling water used for cooling cylinder jacket of air compressor. Okay, so this is the purpose of using cooling water in air compressor, that is for cooling of intercooler, aftercooler and cylinder jacket. And due to compression of air at high temperatures, its temperature gets increased many times. Therefore, cooling of air is necessary for further compression in next stage and for use. Okay, if you not cool air in intercooler or aftercooler, then our air compressor efficiency will be very low. Therefore, for increasing efficiency of air compressor, we are cooling the air on intercooler. Okay. Okay. In intercooler, we are using cooling the air for increasing the efficiency of air compressor, and in aftercooler, we are cooling air for use in instruments and for other applications. Okay, so this is the purpose of cooling air in air compressor. Now we'll see. So now we will see how to calculate cooling tower capacity of air compressor. So we know that in air compressor, 90% of electrical energy gets converted into heat energy during air compressor. Only 10% of the electrical energy is using for compression of air. 90% of energy gets converted into heat, and heat energy is the waste energy in air compressor. Okay, so for calculation of cooling tower capacity, we are using this formula. TR is equal to 0.9 into kilowatt of motor divided by 3.517. Here this is the kilowatt of the motor, that is running motor, which are used in air compressor for compression of air. So using this formula we can calculate the TR of cooling tower. Here 0.9 is multiplying factor and 3.517 is multiply factor for conversion of TR into kilowatt into TR. Here it is a kilowatt. Okay, kilowatt into TR. Okay, so now we'll see how to calculate by using one example. So suppose this is a 600 CFM water cooled reciprocating type air compressor working at a pressure of 10 bar, and its motor capacity is 110 kilowatt. Now we have to calculate the cooling tower capacity for this. So here given data is motor capacity 110 kilowatt, and remaining we are going to put these values in our formula. 0.9 into kilowatt divided by 3.517. So after calculation we are getting 28.15. So approximate we should have to install 29 TR cooling tower for the cooling of air compressor. Okay, so cooling capacity of cooling tower for air compressor will be 29 TR. So this is all about the today's video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please press like button, subscribe the channel, and if you have any query, then please comment in the comment box. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.